Hi all, welcome to my channel. As we are discussing the series of JMeter interview questions, so we'll look into today a new another question related to JMeter. Suppose in interview, if the interviewer asks that can we pass the correlation value from one thread to another thread group? So this if this is a question, so the answer is yes. Yeah, we can pass the correlation value from one thread group to another thread group. So there are two ways to do it. So I'll show you the two ways. The first one is the older one. So older version which we used to do earlier. I just opened my document here. I have just taken a screenshots of it. If we have to pass a value from one thread group to another thread group, this is a way. So first we have to do the correlation. So we have to do the regular expression, the value which we have to correlate. Suppose here we are doing with the employee ID. So next is that we have to write a beam shell assertion, which I mentioned here. So this is a function which you have to write. It's dollar underscore underscore set property and whatever the correlation which we have done employee id we have to write here, and that value will be passed to value to pass. So this is a function we have to write in group 1. In the group 2, just coming down, this is a thread group 2 where we have to pass the correlated value to the request of group 2, thread group 2. So whatever the value it's been moved to value to pass in group 1, that will be passed to group 2 if you write this function. It's dollar underscore underscore property. So if you add these things in your code, then the value from one thread group, it will be passed to the next thread group. This is one way which we used to do earlier, but in coming in the latest the few years back, so we have a plugin to do this. So I'll just show how we can do from the plugin part. So I'm just opening my JMeter and go to options, plugin manager, and here uh, in the available plugins you can type as inter that communication. This is a plugin. So already I have installed. So I'm just showing it in the install plugin. So you can write inter. So this is a plugin, inter thread communication. So once this select this and apply install, and then JMeter will restart. And after JMeter has been open, right click on thread group and uh, sampler, come here. So first we have to do for post processor, add this post processor. This is for one thread group. Same way in this next thread group, we have to go and select. I'm just adding another thread group. Here you have to select pre. So from here, whatever the correlated value, it will be passed to the next one. So I'll show you in the document how it is. So this is a document. I'll show you where. So you can see here, this is the first thread group where I've just added post processor and correlated values here. Then the same value will be passed to the next thread group wherever we have to do, wherever we have to pass. So this is the second thread group. Here we have to add preprocessor. Same, enter communication preprocessor and add the that value. That's it. If you do this and run the script, whatever the value is there from the first group, it will be passed to the second group. So this is the two ways which we can do. Yeah. Thanks for watching.